Welcome back. While reading one input at a time is simple, it is often inefficient if you need many variables. This lecture shows you standard Python techniques for reading multiple values, separated by spaces or commas, from a single line of user input. 1. Using input and split. The core technique involves two steps. First, use the input function to read the entire line as a single string. Second, use the string's split method. By default, split breaks the string into a list of substrings wherever it finds white space. We can then assign these list elements directly to multiple variables in one line. 2. Converting types using map. Since split returns strings, we still need type conversion for numbers. Using a separate conversion line for each variable is repetitive. Instead, we use the map function, which applies a function like int to every item in the list returned by split. This single line is a way to read multiple numbers from one line of input. To summarize, combining input, split, and map is the most effective method for handling multiple inputs simultaneously, especially when those inputs need to be converted to numerical types. We now have the tools for input and output. Our next lecture, 0706, Grocery Checkout System.